Mastering the present continuous passive voice. Avoid common mistakes. Hello, language enthusiasts. We're back with another exciting episode. Today, we're going to delve into the present continuous passive voice, and we'll specifically discuss some of the most common mistakes learners make and how you can avoid them. Are you ready to polish your grammar skills? Let's get started. Before we dive into the mistakes, let's have a quick refresher on what present continuous passive voice is. In English, we use this form when the focus is on the action happening now and not on who or what is performing the action. It is formed using is, are, am, plus being, plus past participle of the main verb. For instance, the cake is being baked. Now let's identify some of the most common mistakes people make with this tense, and more importantly, how to fix them. Mistake 1. Using the wrong auxiliary verb. A common mistake is using the incorrect auxiliary verb. Many learners often use is for all subjects. Remember, the auxiliary verb must agree with the subject. Is used for singular, are for plural, and am for I. Incorrect. The cakes is being baked. Correct. The cakes are being baked. Mistake 2. Forgetting being. Another common mistake is forgetting to use being in the structure. The present continuous passive voice always needs being after the auxiliary verb. Incorrect. The cake is baked. Correct. The cake is being baked. Mistake 3. Incorrect past participle. Make sure to use the correct past participle form of the main verb. It is a common mistake to use the base form or present participle instead. Incorrect. The cake is being baked. Correct. The cake is being baked. The best way to avoid these mistakes is through practice. Write sentences, speak in the present continuous passive, and when in doubt, remember the formula: is, are, am, plus being, plus past participle. And that's it for today's episode. I hope this helps you understand and avoid the common mistakes with the present continuous passive voice. Remember, everyone makes mistakes while learning. The key is to keep practicing and refining. Until next time, keep learning and happy practicing.